In this video, you will learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation using smooth transitions and creative slide designs. The best thing about this tutorial is that it's super easy to follow with a step-by-step guide. Even if you are a beginner, I'll make sure you learn something useful throughout the process. This tutorial will help you develop skills to create impressive presentations for work, school, or any professional setting. By the end, you'll be able to craft presentations that engage your audience and make a lasting impact. Let's start the tutorial. First and foremost, let's change the background color of the slide. For that, right click on the slide and choose Format Background. Now choose the color that you want. I'm taking this 25% lighter black color. Now click on Apply to All so that the same background color is applied to all the coming slides. Now let's make the first welcome slide. For that, insert a text box. Choose Arial Black as font type and 88 as font size and white as font color. Name it as Taj Mahal. Make the content in the center of the text box. Under the Home tab, go to Arrange option, then choose Align and then Align Center. Select the text box and duplicate it by pressing and holding down Ctrl plus Shift while dragging with mouse. Change the text to Introduction and choose different font type. I'm taking Edwardian Script ITC as font type and yellow as font color. Make it bold and place the text box properly. This way, our first welcome slide of presentation is ready. Now duplicate the first slide by selecting the first slide in the side thumbnail and pressing Ctrl plus D. For smooth transition, move the text outside the slide while holding down the Shift button and dragging with mouse. Now insert a picture from the stock images under the Insert tab. Search for Taj. Select this picture and insert it into the slide. Now crop the picture using Crop tool under Picture Format tab. Place the picture at the upper right corner of the slide. Now go to Insert tab and choose a rounded corner rectangle shape. Now using this yellow handle, make the corner rounded. Rotate it and place it like this. Also change the size of it. Duplicate it while pressing down Ctrl button and drag with mouse. Change its width. Do these steps few more times so that the whole image is covered with these shapes. Now select all these shapes one by one while holding down Shift button. Then go to Shape Format and under that select Union. This combines all the separate shapes into single shape. Now first select the picture and then this union shape while holding down the Shift button. Remember, selecting the picture first is important. Then go to Shape Format and choose Intersect. So here we have this cool intersected image. Now let's give depth to the image. For that, select the picture and right click on it. Choose Format Picture. Go to Shadow Effect and choose Inner Top Left Shadow Effect. Take black as shadow color and transparency 50%, blur 5 points, angle 225 degree, distance 4 points. Now let's add content to the slide according to some facts about Taj Mahal. I'm directly pasting some content according to our title slide. For this content, I have taken Aptos black font type, 66 font size, and for this text, Aptos body as font type and 14 as font size. We can resize the image by dragging from corner handle. Now in this blank space, let's add an icon. Go to Insert tab and choose Icons. Search for Travel and choose this icon and insert it. Change its size and color. I'm taking light gray color. In the same way, this small Taj Mahal icon has been inserted from Icons option by searching Architecture. Now select all this content from second slide and copy it using Ctrl+C and paste it into the first slide using Ctrl+V. This is being done for smooth transition effect when morph transition will be applied. Now move this content out of the slide like this. Move the picture to the right and outside the slide. Now go to second slide and then go to Transition tab. Choose Morph. Now let's preview it. From here, we can also change the duration of the transition. I am taking 2.5 seconds and click on Apply to All so that the same transition effect and timing settings are applied to all the slides of our presentation. Now again preview it. This way our second slide is completed. Now duplicate the second slide using Ctrl+D. Now select the image and make it smaller by dragging with mouse and holding this corner handle. Move this icon and text outside the slide and place it little distance apart so that these move one by one during smooth transition. Now let's give title to this slide. For that, insert a text box. Use Aptos Black as font type, white as font color, 72 as font size. Now type Chapter 1. Duplicate this text box by holding down Ctrl+Shift and drag with mouse. Now change the text size to 32 and choose a different color. I am taking yellow color. Now give subheading as Key Facts. Now insert a circle. Go to Insert tab and choose the oval shape. Press and hold Shift button while dragging with mouse to draw a complete circle. I have taken 4 cm as its height and width from Shape Format tab. Now change the shape fill color to white and take no outline for the shape. Now according to the key facts of our subject, insert icons and place over the circle. For that, go to Insert tab and then click on Icons. Search icon related to your content. For example, I am searching time. Select the one you like and click on Insert. Now place this icon over the shape and change the color of the icon. Now select both the icon and circle and press Ctrl+G to group them together. Now under this icon filled shape, add a key fact about the Taj Mahal. I am directly pasting the text. In the same way, we can add more facts. To save your time, I am directly pasting 2 more facts. So this way our third slide is ready. Now for the smooth transition effect, select this content and paste it into the second slide and place it outside the working slide area. Press and hold Shift button while dragging with mouse to move the content outside the slide. Now go to third slide and check the preview. In the same way, we can make more slides like this. Duplicate the third slide and move these facts outside the slide. And add other facts about the Taj Mahal. Again, I am directly pasting few more facts about Taj Mahal. Also resize the image. Also paste the same content to the third slide and place it outside the working slide area. For smooth ending of the presentation, add a thank you slide. On the last slide, apply push transition and effect option from bottom. See its preview. So this way all the slides are complete, and now let's check the preview of the whole presentation in slideshow. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps me create even more content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.